Namaste and welcome to today's episode. Today we'll talk about something which is not around nutrition, something which is not around supplements, something which is not about physical activity, but it is about your health. Remember, you are creator of your own reality. You create your own reality. Nobody else can design it and draw it for you. And there are reasons and time when you think about uh, what you currently have, not about what has happened to you in the past. It's time to think about your present. It is time to plan about your future. Don't delve in what has happened to you or your world around you in the past. If life, if your life was as bad to you yesterday, you had a tough life, always look at something positive that will come your way tomorrow. Look forward to the next day that you have. Look forward to the present and live the present day that you have. Here's the thing, we all are in a very chronic environment or a chronic world right now. We are living in that, and there's no denial. Okay. There is so much of things that are unfolding to us, be it this pandemic, be it social media, be it news, be it about uh, violence, be it about health related losses, be it about our economy. There's a lot of chronic things in our life. Okay. And this definitely has a huge impact on our mental health. It has an impact on our physical health. It has an impact on our emotional health. It has an impact on our spiritual health. And you can't deny that. If somebody says that I am unaffected by all these, or these things are not happening to me or to my surrounding, you're trying to go away from a fact or a reality. The beauty lies in how are you managing that. Now, there's this beautiful thing and an amazing thing that we call is mind. We all have something, uh, and that is in charge of what you choose to think. You control your mind, nobody else can control. And it also and what you allow yourself to perceive as your thoughts. So if you don't think about letting this news impact you, there's no way this news will impact you. But if you are more glued on to know how many cases have come, who in my neighborhood has got, what has happened, how the economy has gone bad, it will definitely gonna impact you in a big manner. Now you are the only thinker in your mind, remember, okay, and it's within your control. So if something is happening to you at a physical, mental, emotional, or a spiritual level, you can't blame the government, you can't blame the world, you can't blame the environment for it. The only person you can hold accountable for it is you, because it is happening through your mind and you control your mind. Now you can choose to live in fearful thoughts, you can choose to read about articles on social media, watch TV about it, or think about all the doom and the gloom that is happening, versus you can focus on things like trust, love, faith, gratitude, hope. Now, these are powerful things. These will not come overnight to you, but it's all about progress. It's all about practice. It's not about perfection. You don't have to perfect the art of gratitude. You don't have to be perfect when it says about being in love or spreading love. It's all about making those progress every day. And that's what matters at the end of the day. Did you progress in your life or you stay still? Now we are evolving in a new way of thinking. Okay, there is no denial on this fact. You can't change that fact that things are changing. Sorry about that. So you can't deny this fact that things are not changing for you. Things are changing for you, and you have to accept it. You have to admit to this change. Now it is this difficult time is ultimately a process of shedding what is not important for you and embracing and holding on to things that are important for you. Remember, you are the master of your own destiny. You have your genes, you have your story which has been written by what you got from your mother and your father, whether it is about your health, about your circle, anything. But it is up to you whether you activate it or you don't activate that. We simply can't continue to do what we have been doing and expect different results, right? Remember, somebody said, what brought you here will not take you there. So, if you want to be healthy, if you want your immune system to be healthy during this pandemic, obviously you need to do something which you have not done, something that will take you and make your immune system stronger than what it was. You should not live in this cloud of fear that if I step out, I will catch this pandemic. What that does not mean that you stop to take guard or caution around it. That I am a superman, nothing will happen to me, let me go out. No, you can't. Maybe it will not happen to you, but maybe somebody around you who has not as a strong immunity as you have might catch because of you. So it is your responsibility to protect yourself and people around you. There would be some days which will be really challenging for you. Maybe a good person has a very challenging day. Okay, all you should do at the end of the day is to sit and reflect back on what has happened to you. Okay, there'll be a lot of stress, a lot of hardness, things will not go the way you wanted them to be. There'll be a lot of challenges, but you can always turn that around, because whatever has been done cannot be undone. But if you manage your mind, if you control your mind, if you control your emotions, your thoughts, the way you behave, you can change the way you handle the situation if it comes tomorrow to you. And my intuition says, when we come out of it, whenever we come out of it, whether the virus dies on its own or whether a vaccine comes for it and people have a solution to it, the world would be a better place. The world would be a place where you are thinking more about health, the place where you're thinking about nature, place where you're talking about compassion, humility, support. Okay, there are a lot of heroes who have come among us who have been going all of the way out to support people who are in pain and who needs our help. So you have a lot of heroes coming out. There are a lot of success stories coming out. It's about us, what we want to choose to listen and let that impact us. You can say that India has 40 lakh cases of COVID, but you can also look at that India has a 32 lakhs of recovery. India has a population of 130 crores. So that means on a population base, the numbers are very, very less. So it's a perspective that you change. And remember, these small thoughts, this perspective makes a big impact at the end of the day when your brain starts to process things. What can you do to fix it? I think gratitude journaling is a good thing. Meditation, amazing thing. Getting enough oxygen in your body is enough thing. Remember, you are a powerful human being. You have the power to change your future. You do not need any guru, you do not need any course, you do not need any program to change your power or to change your life. It all starts with your mindset. You need to first accept this, that you are happy, you are healthy. Whatever you are doing right now will either take you towards your health goal or move you away from a health goal. You will not be constant in your life. So you choose what you want to put in your mouth, what you want to put on your skin, what you want to put in your mind. You might be educated enough with all this exposure on what is a good superfood, what to eat, what not to eat. You might know about the best of the gyms and the exercise. You might know about all those supplements out there which are promoting immunity. But it's your mind that will matter the most at the end of the day. Start looking to manage your mind and start to look at things from a different perspective, which is about hope, trust, love, gratitude, and a positive outcome when we come out of this pandemic, as in when we come out. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and we'll catch up soon. Namaste.